Hello everyone, it's me. Guess what I have to. It's Cyklone Motobike. And it's so amazing. I like it. Now let's open it up. Whoa. Now let's cut it open up. Okay, let's go. Wait, we have to cut this rope, but it's gonna be hard. Then I need some help chewing this rope.
Let Daddy come to rescue. Daddy to the rescue.
And stick. And these.
Okay, do this, go.
Here's the staple. It almost looks like a snow bike. But it isn't a snow bike. It's a regular bike. This is a remote control. And this is our antenna. Now it's time to install the battery. Yeah, we're going to install the battery.
Okay.
It needs 2 batteries. Two more batteries on this side. Okay, let's go. This side belongs on this side. And that side belongs on this side. Now it's done. Now it's time to install the battery from the remote. Also needs 2 batteries. If that side goes this way, then this side will go that way.
Good.
That's
Good
gonna
job.
work.
Good job. Good job.
Now it's time to install the antennas too. Okay, so let's install this. Gotta be really careful. It's from one person. There.
Okay, let's turn it on, Lucas.
Now let's turn it on and it's playtime. Okay. We switch this. That. I'm gonna play.
Good.
Okay, watch this. And watch this. Move! but I love it. Look at how it goes. Transforming. Look, see the arms? They're actually the stabilizers, but they have this. Look. I have so much fun playing with my friend Cyklone Motobike. You like it on the Everyone, if you like this video, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. You can also click the like button or subscribe button or the thumbs up. And with fun. Bye.